Recent developments surrounding Iran's new supreme leader, Mojtaba Khamenei, have created a tense situation in the region. An Iranian member of parliament has claimed that Mojtaba Khamenei narrowly survived 2 separate assassination attempts. The claim has already sparked widespread discussion within Iran's political circles, as well as in the international community. Mohammad Reza Rezaieh, a member of parliament from Jahram, told the state news agency ERNA that Mojtaba Khamenei was present with his father when an attack was carried out on the residence of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in Tehran. According to him, although the attack created a very dangerous situation, Mojtaba Khamenei managed to survive the incident. He further claimed that another attack was later carried out on the hospital where Mojtaba Khamenei was reportedly receiving treatment. However, that attack also failed, allowing him to remain safe once again. The Iranian lawmaker did not disclose the name of the hospital or provide any details about its location. Following the death of Iran's longtime supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, a major shift occurred in the country's leadership. After the incident, Iran's influential religious and political body, the Assembly of Experts, approved Mojtaba Khamenei as the new supreme leader, succeeding his father. After assuming the position, Mojtaba Khamenei recently addressed the nation for the first time. In the speech, which was broadcast on state television, he called on the Iranian people to remain united during what he described as a critical moment for the country. At the same time, he delivered strong warnings directed at the United States and Israel. In his speech, he stated that Iran would not bow to pressure when it comes to protecting its sovereignty and national interests. He warned that Iran is prepared to respond firmly to any aggression. He also delivered a strong message regarding the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important global trade routes. Mojtaba Khamenei said that in order to put pressure on opposing forces, Iran may keep this crucial maritime route closed if necessary. In addition, he made firm remarks about American military bases located across the Middle East. Mojtaba Khamenei demanded that these bases be shut down immediately. Otherwise, he warned that attacks on those bases could continue. Meanwhile, the political situation in Iran and the rising military tensions in the Middle East have raised concerns across the international community. Analysts believe that these developments could further complicate regional security and may also have broader impacts on global politics and the world economy. For now, the international community is closely monitoring the situation. Observers around the world are watching carefully to see how events will unfold in the coming days.